back, cousins. Yes for fall time and a double yes for great glowing skin this season. First things first, you guys need to definitely hit that subscribe button and make sure you stay tuned throughout the video because you're going to get a special discount code throughout this video. So stay tuned. I love me a nice cold glass of cold water with my favorite lemons and my favorite cucumbers all mixed in just to give it a nice, refreshing, citrusy feeling once I'm done steaming and washing my face. So these are some of the products that I actually use on my face all the time. I love Biore and I love my new Teamiblends. I've joined their team and I'm just totally team Teamiblends right now. These right here are two of my new favorites, my cooling gel eye mask and also my Superfruits moisturizing sheet mask. Yes, we know I broke my nail, but I'm still cute, okay? I don't know about you guys, but I need some music when I am preparing for my day. That involves my skincare routine. I gotta have some good tunes, to get in the mood. As you can see, I have a couple of blemishes on my face. I do have some pimples that I did pop, and I have some that tried to come through that I did not let come through. I have a couple moles on my face. I get them from my grandma and my aunt. I love them, so I'm gonna embrace them. So I need my face to be nice and bright amongst the moles. So I'm going to take about 2 squirts of my favorite face wash, the Biore. So this Biore cleanser is an organic cannabis sativa seed oil and a green tea extract. And it deep cleans all dirt, oil, and pollution of the face. And it's great for blemish-prone skin. So you want to free your pores? Use Biore. This soap actually exfoliates my face without having to scrub it. And because I'm actually going to start scraping my face with this little razor, as you can see, I don't want to exfoliate too much. I just shave every part of my face. I try to make sure I don't go over each spot of my face more than 3 times. Because I don't want to irritate my skin. You see my face starting to get a little bit whiter because it's taking off all the dry skin. You want to scrape every part of your face, so between your eyebrows, on your forehead, the side of your face. You want to get every single angle of your face when doing the dermaplaning. I'm not a dermatologist, but I know what I do for my face and what works for myself. So I will say I do like the dermaplaning idea. I saw people using it with oil, but I think that defeats the purpose of washing my face. So I just do mine dry. Not a professional, so do not get in the comments and chew me up, okay? Once you are done dermaplaning, you want to wipe off the excess dry skin. It does burn sometimes, so be careful with that. But what I use, and it works great for my skin. Don't be afraid to soak up and use multiple cotton balls or cotton swabs because you want to get all the dirt off of your face and also around your nose, your eye area, and definitely your neck. How you gonna have a light skin face and a dark skin neck? That don't make sense. Now I'm going to go ahead in with my steamer that I got from Walmart. It was like 20 bucks, I think, like 2 years ago. Now, I typically let my face steam for about 15 to 20 minutes. I want to feel a really nice spa-like feeling, so I want the whole face treatment. So I take about 15 to 20 minutes to properly steam every angle of my face and my neck. Next, I'm going to take my vitamin E oil. Of course, the vitamin E oil is a very, very, very highly loved antioxidant. It just feels so amazing with any moisturizer that you want to add with it. It just makes your face just feel 10 times better. And I just love to add it with my face mask that I'm going to put on next. It just gives my face more of a moisturizing, cooler feeling, and it just holds in all that moisture in my skin. I'm going to put my sheet mask on. It's watermelon scented, so it smells so good. They have all types of scents. This was one of my favorite ones, the watermelon one. You just simply unfold it, smooth it on your skin. So I usually take this time to take a rest, take a seat. So I'll get my cooling gel eye masks out of the freezer. They freeze for about 20 minutes and then I place them on my eyes. I grab my glass of cold spring water and I just relax. Take a minute. I take about 15 minutes to let the, mask kind of purify into my skin and absorb all those wonderful minerals and moisturizers into my skin. I love it. My face feels so soft afterwards, like a baby's butt. Literally, I feel like I just have new skin. It feels so good. Once the mask is taken off your face, it leaves like a nice amount of gel in your face. So I just rub it into my face and my neck. And then I take my Teamiblends, which I love so much, and it smells so good. I just take like 2 squirts of that and I rub it all over my skin, under my lip, on my neck, around my eyes, everywhere. The unique process behind their vitamin C serum, it involves hand steeping hibiscus flower leaves and brewing refreshing red tea, which creates the baby pink color. And I love this color. It's just like a mauve color, and I just love the aesthetic of this serum. Apply this serum to your face 1 to 3 times a day. So this Teamiblend Vitamin C Serum is a naturally weightless, fast-absorbing beauty serum that leaves you feeling bright and radiant. Just look at that skin, and it feels better than it looks, okay? All right, next it's time to clean our teeth. So first, I like to start off with the Miracle Teeth brand, which is a black charcoal teeth whitening. I like to use that before I actually brush my teeth with my normal toothpaste, which is the Arm & Hammer. But first I like to scrub my teeth and get them really nice and clean, and then I go and rinse and then use the next toothpaste. Be sure you are cleaning your teeth adequately. Make sure you get all of that black charcoal out of your mouth. You don't want that nasty taste in your mouth, and you also don't want any black teeth. So make sure you take the time to scrub your teeth. So that's it for today's cozy fall skincare routine. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and make sure you guys are liking and also commenting and letting your family and friends know who I am. What's next, Lex? Stay tuned.